Your eyes are the windows to your soul. They allow you to see the beauty of the world, to communicate with others, and to perform many daily tasks. But did you know that your eyes are also very vulnerable to many factors that can damage them? Things like pollution, UV rays, blue light, stress, aging, and even some diseases can affect your eyesight and cause many vision problems as you age. The good news here is that there are some special foods that can actually protect your eyes from these factors and help you maintain or even improve your vision. These foods are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and other substances that can nourish your eyes and prevent or repair the damage caused by these factors. In this video, we will reveal the top 8 foods to protect your eyes and repair your vision according to studies. You'll be amazed by how much your eye health can improve just by adding these foods to your daily diet. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Carrots. If you're like me, you probably grew up hearing that eating carrots is good for your eyesight. But is this just a myth or is there some truth to it? Well, it turns out that carrots do have some benefits for your eyes, but not in the way you might think. First of all, let's clear up the origin of this idea. It dates back to World War II, when British pilots claimed that eating carrots helped them see better at night. This was actually a cover-up story to hide the fact that they were using radar technology to locate enemy planes. However, this doesn't mean that carrots have no effect on your vision at all. In fact, carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which is converted into vitamin A in your body. Vitamin A helps your eyes produce a pigment called rhodopsin, which allows you to see in low-light conditions. Without enough vitamin A, you can develop night blindness, which means you have trouble seeing in the dark. Carrots also contain other antioxidants, such as lutein and zeaxanthin, which can prevent or reduce oxidative damage to the eye cells, which is one of the main factors that contribute to age-related macular degeneration, which is the leading cause of vision loss among older adults. So how many carrots do you need to eat to get these benefits? Well, as a general rule, you should aim for about 10 milligrams of lutein and 2 milligrams of zeaxanthin per day. This can be achieved by eating about 3/4 cup of cooked carrots or 2 cups of raw carrots. Number 2. Salmon. Salmon is not only delicious, but also super healthy for your heart, brain, and also your eyes. Salmon is one of the best sources of omega-3 fatty acids, especially DHA, which is found in high concentrations in the retina. Omega-3s help maintain the shape and function of the photoreceptor cells, which are responsible for converting light into signals that the brain can interpret as images. Omega-3s also have anti-inflammatory properties, which may help prevent or slow down the progression of age-related macular degeneration. But that's not all. Salmon also contains vitamin D and niacin, 2 nutrients that have been shown to reduce the risk of cataracts, which are cloudy areas in the lens of the eye that can impair your vision. So how much salmon should you eat to reap these eye-boosting benefits? Well, some experts suggest eating at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week. A serving is about 3 ounces or the size of a deck of cards. Number 3. Spinach. If you don't love spinach, you might want to reconsider, because this leafy green is not only delicious, but also super beneficial for your eyes and vision. First of all, spinach is an excellent source of lutein and zeaxanthin, which are 2 plant compounds that are found in high concentrations in the eye, especially in the macula, which is the central part of the retina that is responsible for sharp and detailed vision. Lutein and zeaxanthin act as natural sunglasses, filtering out harmful blue light from the sun and artificial sources like screens and LED lights. According to a study published in 2013, people who ate at least 1 serving of spinach or kale per week had a 43% lower risk of AMD than those who ate less than 1 serving per month. So how much spinach should you eat to reap these benefits? Well, a general recommendation is to eat at least 1 cup of cooked spinach or 2 cups of raw spinach per day, which will provide you with about 20 milligrams of lutein and zeaxanthin. Number 4. Sunflower seeds. These crunchy and nutty seeds are packed with vitamin E, which is a powerful antioxidant that can help protect your eyes from oxidative stress and inflammation, which are 2 major factors that contribute to eye diseases such as cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. Sunflower seeds are one of the best sources of vitamin E, with about 7.4 milligrams per ounce or 28 grams, which is almost half of the recommended daily intake for adults. A Spanish study found that people who ate 2 ounces, or 56 grams, of sunflower seeds daily had significantly lower risk of cataracts and cataract surgery than those who ate less or none. So how can you enjoy sunflower seeds for your eye health? Well, you can snack on them raw or roasted, add them to salads, granola, yogurt, or baked goods, or use them to make sunflower seed butter or milk. Before we continue, if you have been enjoying the video so far, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more videos like this. Number 5. Eggs. Eggs are rich in antioxidants, especially lutein and zeaxanthin, which are found in the yolk. These antioxidants help protect your retina from damage caused by blue light and free radicals. But that's not all. Eggs also contain other nutrients that are essential for eye health, such as vitamin A, vitamin E, selenium, and zinc. Vitamin A helps maintain the surface of the eye and prevent dryness and infections. Vitamin E and selenium work together to prevent oxidative stress and inflammation in the eye. And zinc helps convert light into signals that are sent to the brain, allowing you to see better in low light conditions. So how many eggs should you eat to benefit your vision? According to a 2020 study, eating 2 to 4 eggs per week can significantly reduce your risk of developing late-stage AMD. Number 6. Oranges. You probably know that oranges are delicious and nutritious, but did you know that they can also help protect your eyesight? According to some recent studies, eating oranges can lower the risk of macular degeneration. Oranges are rich in flavonoids, which are natural compounds that have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Flavonoids are found in many fruits and vegetables, but oranges seem to have a special effect on eye health. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2018 found that people who ate at least 1 orange per day had a 60% lower risk of developing macular degeneration compared to those who never ate oranges. Even eating 1 orange per week had a significant benefit, reducing the risk by 92%. The researchers attributed this to the flavonoids in oranges, especially hesperidin, which is highly concentrated in the peel and inner white pulp of the fruit. The best part is that oranges are also low in calories, high in fiber, and easy to enjoy as a snack or a juice. Number 7. Almonds. Almonds are rich in many eye-friendly nutrients. First of all, almonds are rich in vitamin E, which is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your eye cells from damage. According to studies, vitamin E can help slow down the progression of eye conditions like macular degeneration and cataracts, which are the leading causes of vision loss in older adults. Other than that, almonds are packed with antioxidants such as flavonoids and phenolic compounds, which help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in your eyes. These antioxidants also contribute to the protection of your vision by enhancing the pigment density in your macula, which is the central part of your retina that is responsible for sharp and detailed vision. The pigment in your macula acts as a natural sunscreen that absorbs excess blue and ultraviolet light and neutralizes free radicals. To reap these benefits, you can easily enjoy a handful of almonds as a convenient and nutritious snack, or you can sprinkle them as a topping to salads, yogurt, or stir-fries. Number 8. Dark chocolate. If you love dark chocolate, I have some good news for you. Not only is it delicious and satisfying, but it can also help your eyesight. Dark chocolate, the kind that has at least 70% cocoa, is rich in flavonols, which are a type of antioxidants that can help prevent cell damage and inflammation. Flavonols can also improve blood flow to the brain and the retina, which is the light-sensitive layer at the back of the eye. This can enhance your visual performance, such as your ability to see in low light or detect motion. Dark chocolate can also boost your contrast sensitivity, which is your ability to distinguish an object from its background. This can help you read better, especially if the text is small or blurry. But before you rush to the nearest store and buy a truckload of dark chocolate bars, there are some things to consider. First of all, not all dark chocolate is created equal. You need to look for the ones that have at least 70% cocoa content, preferably higher. The more cocoa, the more flavonols and the less sugar and fat. Also, dark chocolate is still high in calories and can cause weight gain if you eat too much of it. So moderation is key here. So these were the top 8 foods to protect your eyes and repair your vision. Of course, eating these foods alone is not enough to ensure optimal eye health. You should also protect your eyes from other factors that can damage them, such as UV rays, blue light, smoking, alcohol, and stress. But by adding these foods to your diet, you can give your eyes a natural boost. Now, we want to hear from you. Do you eat some of these foods every day? Did you experience some of these benefits? Share with us your experiences and opinions in the comments below. We love to hear them. Thanks for watching.